Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel your delivery or installation service in Best Buy. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Best Buy account, which of course I have done right here. Now Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer that leverages its unique combination of tech expertise and human touch to meet its customers' needs. Best Buy sells consumer electronics and a variety of related merchandise, including software. So now that we know a bit of what Best Buy is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to cancel your delivery or installation service in Best Buy. From this homepage, I would like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have Other Status, and then click on Other Status. It's going to open up this extended window. From here, I'm going to show you what next to do. So from this window, you're going to have to click on See All Your Past Purchases. Once you head over there, it's going to take you to your purchase history window where I'm going to show you what next to do. So over here in this window, you're definitely going to find a list of all the orders that you have made in Best Buy. So for you to cancel your delivery or installation service, here's what you should do. Now, tap on the order from this order page. Go ahead and tap on the order number to see your order details. Now, once it takes you to the order details page, look for the cancel button next to the item you like to cancel and click on the cancel button. Now, you can cancel items as long as Best Buy hasn't started the shipping process, and this is usually within 30 minutes of placing your order. Now, how do you cancel your delivery or installation? Head over here to scheduled home delivery. So to cancel your delivery or installation, go ahead and call this number 188 Best Buy. That's 1-888-234-8289. 1 day prior to your scheduled appointment. You have to call them to cancel 1 day prior to your scheduled appointment. So this is pretty much how you can cancel your delivery or installation service in Best Buy. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.